This is Baltimore, where making is a tradition. School of Nursing folks were soliciting people at home to print these particular ear sabers, they're called, which is sort of an S shape. We found this model here, which is similar ear saber, but it allows for various head sizes, basically, with these little tabbed inserts here. And so these came from the NIH's 3D Print Exchange, which is a resource that we discuss in some of the workshops that I teach. We have colleagues down there doing great work like this, creating models that people, they create the model and do some testing and then put out some instructions or recommendations on how to print. And people like me grab those models and get to printing.
Currently, all staff are having to wear a face mask, just like I am. Some are tie and others are ear loop. The majority are ear loop. So the elastic fits behind the ear. And over time, the pressure that the elastic places on the ear becomes either painful, or some staff have developed breakdown behind their ear because the skin that's behind the ear is just real thin and it's right on top of cartilage. The device that was 3D printed actually fits on the back of the head, so that pressure is no longer pressing on the ear. It's distributed over the back of the head. So it makes it much more comfortable to wear over the day.
That's another advantage to these newer designs. They're more durable than this too, but you can see here I'm bending this. I mean, this is going at the back of your head, so it has to bend. And so this design here is really, really good, particularly with the material that I have, which is called PETG, this particular stuff. Our leadership is very proactive, very action-oriented, and we were able to get inside. This was about a week and a half after quarantine started, and we were able to quickly make some calls and get right in and sort of get a 3D printer out here that I lugged into our basement here, into my wife's bag-making craft studio of her own. That night, we're starting to print stuff. It feels really good. It feels, it was obvious. What a great thing. We're here, we just have it cranking out all the while.
We have been really overwhelmed with the amount of support that's been coming from Brian as well as others in the community to really sort of pull together and make sure that everyone is protected while they're taking care of these patients.